Today, we'll explore how everyday nature, clouds, trees, water, and sky speaks to the awakening many of us sense but can't quite name. Rather than chasing a dramatic breakthrough, we'll listen to 4 gentle teachers and notice the quiet shifts they invite in our noticing, breathing, and being. If you ever felt that the answer you're seeking might be closer than you think, you're in the right place. Nature and spiritual awakening share a single language: attention. They invite us to notice without grasping, soften without shrinking, and rest in what is. Awakening isn't a dramatic moment. It's a gradual softening of identification into the spaciousness of presence. Think back to a moment when you paused and really absorbed what was before you, whether a leaf trembling in the breeze or a distant horizon. These moments are the doorways awakening us to enter. Clouds reveal impermanence in a way that tiny, everyday life can't ignore. Thoughts and feelings arise like weather patterns in the mind, forming, shifting, and drifting away without needing to force them. When we stop clinging to them, they uncover a sky of quiet awareness beneath every mood. This is not denial of life's weather, but a soft recognition that change is the only constant, and that presence persists through it all.